Hey guys, today we're going to run on how to check for nearby Instagram users, and all we have to do is to launch our Instagram application, and then we are going to tap on the search icon, and then we are going to search for the place that we live in, which is Nanyuki. Tap on Nanyuki town, and then we tap on recent. And from here, we can actually see posts that are fully posted that show Nanyuki places. And if we scroll down a little bit and tap on this, we can see that this person had posted this 7 days ago in Nanyuki. And if you are able to spot any place that can remind you that you are in Nanyuki, you're going to notice that these people are posting areas that's in Nanyuki if you live in Nanyu. And once you have been able to identify that this person has posted places that are in Nanyuki that you can locate, you can actually follow them, and that's how you can actually check for nearby Instagram users. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.